Hey, it has been a minute since I have filmed a video for YouTube, but I wanted to come on and talk about these tariffs really quick because a lot of people are panicking, and I'm seeing this in some of the groups that I'm in. I'm hearing it from clients. I'm hearing it in emails I'm receiving. So a lot of people asking, how am I handling this? And first, I want to say that you have to remember that everyone is in the same boat. So no matter what's happening to you, all the other sellers on Faire who order from China, all the other businesses who have Shopify stores who order from China, we are all in the same boat. So with that being said, I am just kind of pausing everything right now. I do have samples that I've ordered. I have bulk orders that I've placed, and I am not having anything shipped. Now, with my margins, I could have items shipped and I could still make money with 125% tariffs, which is where the tariffs are at right now. What I don't want to do is have these shipments shipped out and tariff rates go up in the meantime to say 400%, or tariff rates go away. Will I already be charged that? I'm not 100% sure on how these tariffs are working, and from talking to a lot of my Chinese manufacturers, they don't know either. So my answer right now is I am just paused. Now, I will say I have a seasonal business. So the bulk of my sales don't really start until September or October. I could push it until October 1st and still be fine. So I have a little bit of luck there on my side that I have a seasonal business. And if everything turns around and I can start getting shipments out by the middle of May, first part of June, I'm still fine. For those of you that have businesses that are operating right now all year round and you're running out of product, I honestly don't know what I would do in your situation. I would probably pause. Again, customers know what's going on. Everyone knows what's going on with these tariff wars. So it's not like this is a surprise to anyone. So if you run out of product, if you can't get what you need for your store, people realize what's happening in the world right now. Now, my take on this, and I know nothing, this is just my take on it, is that this cannot be indefinite. I really believe that in the next couple of weeks, if it even takes that long, that this is all going to be resolved, because neither country, I don't feel, can continue. And I don't feel China can especially continue with this. So I really think it's going to be resolved, and then you can go back to operating as normal. And hopefully it's going to be resolved for the better. Maybe tariffs will be even cheaper than what they were before. So unfortunately, we've got a little bit of pain right now for hopefully a little bit of gain in the future. So that's my take on the tariffs. I am just sitting tight. And if you can, I think it's okay to go ahead and contact suppliers. And if you're needing new samples, get samples going and just have them hold those samples. Have them send you pictures and videos showing your samples. You can do a lot over picture, video, chat, just to see your samples and get them all ready to go. And then once this tariff thing is resolved, they can ship those samples out to you. Same with a bulk order. And I have placed a few bulk orders. I haven't done a lot since the tariffs have gone up, but I have some bulk orders sitting waiting to be shipped. So depending on how much risk you want to take, I have a belief that this is going to be resolved. Again, just my opinion, but I'm willing to take a little bit more of a risk so that my bulk orders are done and ready to ship out as soon as this is resolved. So there's a couple things you can do in the meantime while you're kind of on hold, but the main thing is just remember that everyone is in the same boat. We are all going through this. We're all feeling the pain and we're all worried about it. So you're not in this alone. I also wanted to mention that I will be coming back on with some Faire updates. I know that I need to come back on and update on my 2024 Faire results, which even blew my mind. And I'm going to talk a little bit about 2025 so far because it's mind-blowing in the opposite direction. My views have gone down, my sales have gone down. I had an amazing 2024, spoiler alert, and 2025 is already proving to have some challenges. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how I'm going to solve that and what my game plan is moving forward with Faire and trying to get my own wholesale customers. So I'm going to share those results in some upcoming videos, but hoping to get back on here and shoot a few more videos. Life has been crazy busy and in the best way possible, but so crazy busy. So I'm going to try to make YouTube my priority again and get these videos out for you. I know I also have been getting a lot of comments and questions on some of my videos, and I want to answer some of those in a video also. So if you have any questions regarding fair, starting a business, Shopify stores, anything at all, drop them in the comments and I will answer them in a future video. And hopefully by the next time you see me, this tariff thing is in the past and we don't have to deal with it anymore. Have a great day.